Hey guys, it's me again with another video. Today, well, yesterday, um, March, March 14th, 2023, I received a package in the mail. Now I'm displaying this comic for a particular purpose. Do you see those two names on the top? The second one is what we got. So thank you, Ethan Skyver. Thank you, his lovely wife, Lady Andrea, and the helpers they've had over the year or two to get this book out. Ethan, I'm it hurts me to cut into your packing tape because it looks so beautiful on this box. And remember, always be careful with bladed objects. Oh, good. Okay. Ethan, I was expecting a comic book. That was it. Not all the rest of the stuff that you put in there. Okay, so putting on our gloves. Because I want to be careful touching everything and to not leave fingerprints on anything. Everything needs to be pristine. Okay, so first thing that we got a keychain. Second thing that we got the cards. Okay. Okay. Third and fourth thing we got a Salamandroid color zine, and I don't know what's behind it. Trying to be very careful with this. This is... oh! Cyberfrog Heartsick Horror. Okay. With a very hot Heather Swain on the cover. Why is it? Oh, there. That's why. Okay. And then the Frog book itself. Cyberfrog 2. Wrecked Planet. Man, this is... It's thicker than I thought it would be. Etherman Skywars. With Kyle Ritter and Eric Weathers. Kyle Ritter the artist, Eric Weathers the letterer. Okay, so what else do we have in here? We have Cyberfrog stickers, okay. This is... Oh, Cyberfrog and Salamandroid stickers, okay. Alright, and then underneath, what is this? Oh, it's the Salamandroid figurine. Okay. I actually wasn't expecting to get this. Ethan, I don't even know what I signed up for. Okay. This was unexpected. But thank you. I will have to get the Cyberfrog figure to go with it. Maybe I could pick one up off eBay, or if you guys have excess that you're selling. Because Big Boss gotta have his little buddy. Always. Oh. Alright. Well, YouTube, expect a review forthcoming. So thank you for watching this unboxing video, and look forward to more unboxing videos, more product reviews coming, more video game reviews. I recently got Shadows Over Loathing and Marvel's Midnight Suns, and this one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell for notifications. Comment down below with hashtag CG if you're one of us. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Take care of yourselves and have a great day.